writers, and welcome to our online Critical Thinking Through Literature course. I am your professor, Jacqueline Walker, and I'm so excited that you're here. I am making this video at the tail end of doing some more revisions before it launches and publishes officially for you to check out, but I just wanted to make you a welcome video to say hi and welcome to the class. I am super excited to work with you, and I'm really excited to see what you think about the literature that I've picked and the different units that we're going to navigate through. Our course is 8 weeks and it's conveniently broken up by spring break, so that works out just peachy. On our homepage we have our syllabus and schedule, and basically our course is broken into 4 units. And each unit is 2 weeks long, so that works out nicely. Just keep in mind, for those of you that are really tight with your schedule and those of you who are very conscious of time management, that our last week ends on a Friday rather than a Saturday because the course ends on May 5th, which is a Friday. Typically our due dates are on Saturdays unless I've extended them a little bit later into the following week, which I've done for all of the major assignments, the journals and the digital journals, the quizzes and the essays. You have a little bit more time because everything's so compacted. But basically we have 2 units, we have 2 weeks per unit. We've got short story, which is what we're going to start with. We have poetry, we have drama, where we're reading the play Fences by August Wilson, which is also turned into a Netflix movie, or maybe it's on Amazon. I think it's on Amazon Prime, with Viola Davis and Denzel Washington. And then we also have our last unit, which is mythology. It's The Myth of Sisyphus by Albert Camus. All of our works, all of our readings, we have free digital access to them. So you don't technically have to buy a book, although I encourage it. It's nice to write in a book and be able to skim through it, and they're relatively cheap compared to actual textbooks, which tend to be costly. But basically this is how our schedule is looking. We're starting with short story, and we're using our literature and the stories to get to know each other, to build that connection between yourself and the things that you read. Some of the things that we're going to read are older, some are more modern. But the storytelling is a beautiful art form that really crosses over time and space, and so you'll be able to see that a little more clearly as we delve into the stories. But I just wanted to say welcome to the semester. I'm excited to meet you and play with you online. And for those of you that get a little nervous and feel a little overwhelmed with literature, or if you're looking for this right answer, just keep in mind that it is open to your interpretation and experience as a reader. All I ask is that you keep an open mind and you really trust your intuition and your instincts to make the connections, and then be willing and open to grow, because you are so smart and capable and amazing, and sometimes we just need to be reminded of that, and the best comes out of us. If you have any questions, you can click here on the question button. Let us know what's on your mind, and we can just have a little talk here. Back on the home page, all the buttons that you see here are links for contacting me, or where to start, or writing tutoring. The Start Here button is like week 0. It's the basics. This is all kind of important stuff to know. Welcome to English V01B. I'm so excited to work with you.